Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video
I'm
tutorial,
going to show you how to withdraw from Gemgala. You need a minimum of 100,000 diamonds before you can withdraw.
so once you've gotten to the minimum withdrawal amount,
You click on the um, diamond balance in your wallet and click on withdraw. So before you can be able to withdraw or link any bank details to what's it called, Gemgala, you have to create a MetWallet. Okay. Alright, so this is where it brought us to. We're going to click on email and then put our email address here. Okay, click on next.
they will send the verification code to your email.
So after putting our verification code, we are asked to enter our password. Okay, so we're just going to choose any password that we want to choose here. Just put your password and you re-enter your password here. So I've entered my password successfully. I'm just going to click on the next button.
So our password is expected to contain only letters and numbers, alright? That's why you see that pop-up message.
Okay, so it says create successfully. I'm just going to save my password here. And after which I'm going to click authorize. Okay, it says Gemgala needs to acquire the following information of your MetWallet and then to provide related service to you for you. Okay, and blah blah blah. So just going to click authorize. Alright, so guys, we've just finished with creating and binding our MetWallet to our Gemgala withdrawal wallet, which is the first step we have to do before we can successfully withdraw our earnings. So now as you can see, they've added my MetWallet account here. So now we are ready to withdraw. Okay, so once you're ready, just click on the withdraw button. Alright, it says applied successfully. Now we're going to go to our MetWallet. So this is our MetWallet. Okay, now we're going to click on this wallet icon here to add our bank details. So click on where you have withdrawal account. Here you can decide to add your bank card, USDT, ePay, whichever withdrawal method you prefer. Just select it and then bind your withdrawal details. So even though you are what's it called, you don't have ePay or USDT, you can withdraw directly into your bank.
I initially tried binding my USDT wallet, which was successful, but when it got to the withdrawal, I saw that the charges was very high. They were to charge $1.55 for using my USDT TRC wallet address. So I switched to bank card immediately. Now there's an important step that we have to complete before we can proceed to withdrawing, and if you don't complete this step, you cannot withdraw. And what they want us to do is to fill in our details, like to complete the basic level verification before binding the cash out method. All right, so that is why you see this message popping up on your screen. So click on confirm and then you'll be brought to this place where you are required to fill in your details: your first name, your middle name, last name, email, your gender, birth, date of birth, and your house address. So just quickly fill that. Ensure that everything you're entering is correct and not wrong, and most importantly, it matches with your bank details. Okay.
Alright, so we successfully completed the basic level. Let's go back now and then link our bank details.
So you click on bank card and then you'll be given this form to fill. Add your name, your first name, and then last name as it is on your account, and then where it says bank code, they're simply asking you for your bank name. Okay, so I'm going to be using First Bank of Nigeria for this tutorial. That's your bank code. So if you're using Access, provide it. Now the last step, bank account, is just your account number. Okay, so I've already added that. Now one thing no one will tell you is that immediately you withdraw to your MetWallet, the balance will not reflect. As you can see here, it's going to take 24 hours before your money reflects here. Okay, when you withdraw it, it will be taken to a channel undergoing review for 24 hours. Until after 24 hours, you then get this message, and then you can come back to check your wallet to see that your money has reflected. All right, so let's withdraw. Click on the cash out button. As you can see, my bank card has reflected, and here I'm going to type in the amount, which is $10, and you can see that the fee is 0.90, unlike the first $1 55 cents they wanted to take from me using USDT. So when you're ready, just proceed. I'm just checking a second time if my bank details is correct. So I've checked that successfully. Here they want you to confirm afresh the details you filled when you were completing the basic level. So just confirm that everything is correct here, and once you've confirmed that, just proceed to your withdrawal. Now, before we can proceed, we have to set a 6-digit payment password. Okay, so they sent a verification code to my email, which I got and then applied here, and then clicked on the next button. After which I then set my 6-digit verification pin for withdrawal. Okay, this is what you'll be using for all your subsequent withdrawals after your first cash out. So after setting our payment password, you just type it in again for your final step to withdrawal. Okay, so that's all. We've completed the process, and it says the estimated arrival time for our withdrawal is within 7 days. Okay, our balance have changed. To my surprise, I got my alert immediately. It didn't take up to 3 minutes for it to get credited into my bank account. Okay, I know they said within 7 days, but payments from Gemgala are actually instant. Alright, so this is a full tutorial on how to withdraw from Gemgala successfully. For those of you who do not know what the app is all about, it is a new live stream like app that pays you just for playing games. You don't have to go live, you don't have to party or complete any live stream tasks before you can earn. All you have to do is for you to play games. And yes, when you register, do your verification on the app, you'll be given an amount of coins instantly that you can use to play the games and win different prizes. Okay, so if you want to get started, I'll drop the link in the comment section. Use the link to register an account, and if you want a full tutorial like a walkthrough beginner tutorial, just let me know in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you found it helpful, please do let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next lit video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, bye.